All right, we are on the last two sections of chapter 1, and we are moving into a little bit of algebra. So first, let's talk about exponents. When you have a base number, like you have here, this big number 4, and it's being multiplied multiple times, you can simplify it by writing out an exponential notation. So again, if you have a base number or a number that's the same, that's being multiplied to itself multiple times, you can write the multiplication problem as an exponential notation, where you have a base number and then you have an exponent. So when you have the exponent next to a base number, this exponent is telling you how many times you're going to multiply the big 4 to itself. So let's do a couple. So 4 to the third power, that's how you say that. 4 to the third power is 3 4s being multiplied together. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. Okay. This next one here, you have 5/6, the fraction 5/6 to the second power. So that means you're going to multiply 5/6 times 5/6. Now, we already reviewed multiplying fractions earlier in this chapter, where you multiply straight across. If you can't cancel out diagonally, you multiply straight across. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. This can't be reduced, so that one is done. Now this next one is a little bit different because it has a negative number before it. Now, the issue with this is this little 4, this exponent 4, is telling you that you're going to multiply the 2 4 times. Because it is not attached to the negative sign, the only thing you're going to multiply 4 times is the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. But because you did not touch that negative sign, it needs to go back down into your answer. So your final answer is negative 16. If the negative 2 was in parentheses, then you would take the negative 2 times itself the 4 times. But because it's not, you can only multiply the 2.